What is up, guys? I had to stop and get gas real quick, but you know what I'm saying, we got a little bit of gas going. But right now I'm about to link up with my buddy Troy. If you guys remember him, he had the V2 cts-v that he let me drive, the 10-second cts-v coupe. Him and his buddy who has a Corvette, we're about to go link up right now. Hopefully, I'm hoping he'll let me drive the Vet because that's like something that's been on my bucket list. We're about to go head there now. I'm about to link up with them and check out their cars and maybe go do something fun. I gotta go drive there, so let's go there. What's up, dude? Oh. I heard you guys coming up the little thing.
Hey, we pulled in here and there was a car like, oh, there he is, pulled next to him. And I was like, oh wait, wrong wheel's too clean.
Right. I know. I took her out in the fucking.
It's my boy Ben.
What's up, bro?
How you doing, man?
Good.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I took her out in the field the other day.
Did you really?
Doing donuts when it was snowy.
Shit. I just thought you were doing some live thing on YouTube or something.
Yeah, I'm starting to do the live things here and there now. I didn't even know that.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
Cemetery right next to the Wally World. Dig them up.
I see they got jewelry in him. It's great, man. I've done some runs with him in the V, and he hangs with me.
Yeah, nah, the LS3, my buddy has one, and I don't know, it surprised me because when I raced him, I thought it was LS2, so I was like, all right, I probably got it because LS2 don't make as much power.
Right, nah, dude, he'll hang. I mean, he'll dig in. I'll pull
if I sprayed it, I'd probably be.
Dude,
you would
even just like a little 75 shot, this thing would be beats.
Yeah, you could beat me.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got headers. He got full header on it. Cooks.
Took the covers off.
Got the nice headies on there. Now the LS3s, they make good power. My buddy's, his just had like pretty much what you had to set up, and he made like 5 something. I was like, what the fuck?
What this thing make on
414 to the wheels.
at the wheel with just intake and exhaust?
Damn.
It's like 370.
Who tuned it?
Alec.
Alec Bledsoe?
Yeah,
Okay.
late model performance.
Yeah.
He says his dyno's stingy, so I might make.
Right.
All right, so we're about to head out to the little secret spot. Oh yeah. Yeah, slam that bitch. I think we're good. We're about to head to the little secret spot. Maybe do something with the Vet. I don't know. I've never really been in a Vet except for Richard's, but that's when his was like detuned. So this is like my first like Corvette ride. Yeah, start her up. Let me hear her start up. Damn. Oh. I want to get a C6 so bad. I don't know. I've always been debating about selling my V. That thing is loud as hell.
I'm trading this in for a ZR1 at the end of the summer or winter.
You said what?
Trading it in for a ZR1 at the end of winter.
Oh yeah, that'd be dope.
Cause this is just a base.
Yeah. Why don't you just pro charge this? You just wanna get that.
The better suspension, the better brakes.
Yeah, it only makes sense.
Money I would spend on that, by the time I do all that, it'd be close to what I'd spend on getting a ZR1.
Yeah, you're right. And the ZR1, you just get that extra like clout with the.
Yeah, Alec 2-in-1 has got a Power Glide nitrous. Tuned it, ran 850s.
Damn.
Yeah, this Power Glide nitrous.
This probably runs 10s.
He said it showed high 10s, low 11s.
It's a make a left to this lane. LS3 power. Damn, that bitch is loud. You should give him a rev real quick. He was like, what the hell? Damn, this bitch. Get your ears like ringing, dude. Oh, this left, my bad. Skirt. It's weird, it's like a little industrial park in the back, like, and there's like a Jewish cemetery right here. It's a dope little spot. I just found it just kind of like being nosy for real.
Traction control kicked on, that's why it like stopped.
Yeah, it was like, skirt. This is where I take the Lexus when I was drifting it.
In the grass?
No, not in the grass. Nah, it's like a little warehouse thing back here.
Oh, there ain't no cops back here.
Nope. And it's right next to the highway, so like noise is like nothing for noise. That was crazy.
Probably burnt a good bit of skin off there.
Nah.
This little bit sounds good.
It's got a little bit of power. It's not bad.
It feels good actually.
It's smooth.
Knock down the gear. I gotta take a
Yeah, it's. I mean, it's a cool daily for real.
Yeah, it's a great day. I need to get in there. I need to get something.
Yeah.
Like that. Sounds good.
Got a little bit of the donut action.
Hey, this motherfucker. As soon as you came in, I saw you going wide. He's gonna sling out.
Yep.
I knew what he was gonna do.
Send it, bro. Troy's making a pee-pee. All right, so we're about to hit the highway so we can hear these bald eagles. These bald eagles fly. Put the seatbelt on for safety, you know, because you don't want to die.
Looks to be pretty clear.
This thing sounds like a fucking firework or something.
Fucking knocks me out of fifth, man. You see how like took me a second to get it in? It's weird. I think it's because the clutch is trash.
Yeah. Alright guys, I want to say thanks to Ben for taking me for a ride in the Corvette. This thing was loud as hell. My ears are ringing. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? We're about to get some more videos with Troy here soon too.
I couldn't keep up, bro.
I know.
I was going to.
Cause you got the slow Lex, bro.
Hey, this ran good though.
Yeah, but
I like this car. It's comfortable.
hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I been the coast's greatest blessing.